The Visoria P polarization microscope is a solution for studying optically anisotropic materials and geological samples. Made for your daily routines, offering advantages for investigations of minerals and rocks, as well as coal, plastics, ceramics, and concrete. Adapt the microscope to your needs with various ergonomic accessories when you spend long hours working with the microscope. Stay comfortable and reduce the risk of repetitive strain injury by maintaining a proper posture from beginning to end. Visualize and analyze quickly and reliably different sample features with a linear or crossed polarized light. Use your time to observe a sample with optimal illumination without the need to adjust the microscope's light settings, thanks to the light management function. Find a region of interest and change to a higher magnification to see if there are important details present. The current magnification is also displayed on the screen. You can observe a larger area of your sample with higher resolution using the XY stitching function. Quickly capture sample details with a press of a button while keeping your eyes on the image. To evaluate further optical properties of samples, Visoria P offers 3 modules for conoscopy. If you prefer to work without eyepieces, Visoria P is also available in a digital version. Work comfortably and save space on your bench by operating the microscope without the need for a computer. Power up your routines with efficiency and comfort using the Visoria P polarization microscope.